Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel PMS Testing Laboratory. Today in this video, we are going to see how to perform the bursting strength on geomembrane. So bursting strength is nothing but the ability of material to withstand the pressure and multi-directional stresses in the field. So let's see how to perform this test. So here I have taken a sample of diameter 150 mm. You have to take the sample according to your holding clamp, and here I have make small holes on this sample to hold it properly. Now let's see how to clamp this. So here is the ball burst assembly which has connected at load cell 2 of our UTM, and here below is the stand to place the sample. Now let's just place sample over here. Place sample properly in sample holding stand. The diameter of this ball is 25 mm and the test area over here is 45 mm diameter. Now let's make settings on controller. Here press the set button. Here select the load cell. Here I have selected load cell 2. Then here it is the test type tensile, but we have to make it as a compression to perform this bursting strength. Also I had set test speed at 300 mm per minute. Now let's start testing. So here you can see the maximum load that has occurred is 3277 Newton. Now let's see how to perform the puncture resistance test on geomembrane. For that, here I have placed the puncture test assembly on again the load cell 2. Here we have take the test piece of 150 mm diameter, same as we had taken for bursting, and now there's this test piece over here. Secure it with the clamp. So just tear the previous value on load cell, and we had kept the setting as previous. Test type compression and speed at 300 mm per minute. Now let's start the machine. Here you can see the jaw has started moving down. Here you can see the maximum load is 894 newtons. As per IS standard, the minimum requirement of load for puncture test is 500 Newton for 500 micron sample. So here it has come 894. It means our sample has passed the requirement of puncture test. So this is how you can calculate both puncture and bursting resistance on this tensile testing machine. Thank you.